couch.me guitar lessons. Hey there, Licknriffers, and welcome back to yet another awesome arrangement lesson here on Licknriff, in which we're going to learn Brian Hyland's classic summer hit, Sealed with a Kiss. It's a beautiful song, a very moving song, and now it's in fingerstyle. So I'm going to play it for you so you can see and hear how it goes, and then we're going to break it along with me. Come on, everyone together now, note by note, chord by chord, finger position by finger position, with tabs right here on the screen as usual. It goes like this. Enjoy. Okay, so before we start, let me remind you that you have 25% off of all my courses. Licknriff.com/courses. I have 14 courses, from ear training to rhythm mastery to arrangement training to intuitive composition, acoustic soloing, Travis picking, fretboard vision, visualizing music on the fretboard, theory unlocked, theory applied to the guitar. Everything is 25% off, the whole bundle, the Break Your Boundaries course program. Check it out. It's some of the best advanced guitar courses, intermediate to advanced guitar courses that you'll ever find, because I'm here to help you break your boundaries on the guitar, and that's exactly what those courses are designed to do, okay? To skyrocket the connection that you have to your instrument and take your music to the stratosphere. So licknriff.com/courses, you have 25% off for the summer. So go check it out, licknriff.com/courses, and now put on E minor, and let's start. You play strings 6, 5, and 4. And then you play 2 on the D string. And then you play a D chord head, 4 and 5 on strings 4 and 5. Okay? And you play 5, 4 on the 4th string. And 5 on the 5th, okay, still putting on the 4 and 5. And then you have E minor again. Okay, again, the same strings, 6, 5, and 4. So that's the intro, basically. Okay, that's the intro. Short intro. And then you're on E minor and you play strings 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2. And then you play A. Okay, and it's important that you play the 2nd string as well, even though the melody note is on the 3rd string, because then it turns to A minor, and the change here is very important to the song. So, okay, because the change into A minor is very significant. That signifies the sadness of their break for the summer. And then you have the open 3rd string, slide to 4 on the 4th, and then the open 3rd again, and then E minor, and you play 2 on the 4th. Okay, so it's A minor. Now you can play the E bass note, the 6th string, right before that last note, right before 2 on the 4th. Okay? And then you have the A minor chord again with the 2nd string twice and then the 3rd. And then you have D. Okay? I play strings 2, 3, and 4. And then you play the 3rd string on 2, and then you play a G chord. Okay? With the open 2nd string as your melody note. So A minor, D, and then G. I play the whole chord, strings 2, 3, 4, and 6. And then you have E7. So I put 1 on the 3rd string, and I play... Okay? I play strings 2 and 3 together with the 6th string. Okay? No, not with the 6th string, sorry. I play... Okay, I play this. I play strings 2 and 3 together to indicate that major note on the 3rd string. And then you play strings 1 and 6 together. And then you have 3, 1, 0 on the 2nd string. So I play it with the 3rd string. Okay, so it's... Okay, just adding that E major note. And then you have A minor again with the 2nd string. And then you have the D string. Okay, it's supposed to be the D chord, but you only have time for the D string. So, okay, and then you have 3, 1 on the 2nd string, leading you into B7. Okay, with the open 2nd string. Again, that's your melody note. So you have E7, A minor, just the D note, B7. And then you have 2 on the 3rd string. And then you have E minor again, okay, with the bass note, you play strings 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Just a normal beginner arpeggio, okay? That's it. So, okay, that was the B7 and E minor. A minor. Okay, you can, again, just play the bass if you want. But here you have time for the chord. And then you have B7. Okay, strings 5, 4, 3. Open 3rd. And then slide to 4 on the D string. And E minor with 2 on the 4th. And then you start again. Now, there's another ending. Okay, when he said, we'll meet in September, okay, it goes up. So you have everything again. Okay, again. Okay, when you reach this point, when you play E7 and then A minor, you play this. Okay, you have okay, A minor, and then okay, which is D. Okay, 3 on the 2nd string, and then 3, 1. And then you have B7 with the 2nd string and then the 1st. And you have E minor. You can just play the bass. So, okay, and then you can play the chord, you have time, and then you have Sealed with a Kiss, A minor. Okay? So basically everything between that A minor to that last A minor is changed into D and B7. That's it. So those are the verses, and then you have the bridge. The bridge starts with A major. Okay, so it's the 4th string on 2, and then the second string, okay, with the chord. Okay, I play it with the third string and the bass. And then you have the open second string and 2 on the third. And then you have E minor. Again, second string, open twice. Okay, with the chord. And then you have A and E minor again. Okay, so it's 2, 2, 2 on the second string, then the open second string, then 2 on the second string. All of this is on A. And then that last note, the open second string, is E minor. And you play this twice. And then you have F sharp. Okay, F sharp with the second string. And then I do this little solo. Okay, it's 2, 1 hammer onto 2, pull off to 1, and then 2 again on the second string. And okay, it's a B chord, but you only play 4 and 2 on strings 2 and 5. So okay, so you have F sharp, and then you have, okay, you start the verse, that last verse, differently. So it's the open first string 3 times, the second string, and then 2, 0 on the third, and then A major. Okay, and then you turn it into A minor again, and you continue to the end of the verse, and you can end with the intro as well. So that's your lesson. Go check out the courses. You have 25% off for all the courses. The Break Your Boundaries course program, 14 courses, and I release a new one every single month. And you get it for free. You get it automatically once you enroll into the course program. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye for now. Have fun.